I'm about to show you how you can significantly increase your organic traffic. Check out the following video and see how you can get 1,000 new unique visitors each day using this powerful software.
Hey, this is Katie with tips to help you sell more. Now this week we're talking 3 ways to dropship like it's hot. That's right, I did it. Not even ashamed a little bit. So dropshipping, if you didn't already know, is actually using a wholesaler to ship your products for you for your online business rather than you doing it yourself. Now there are huge advantages, disadvantages, but there are 3 great ways to do this to either start a business or expand your existing business. So first one is dropshipping dynamo. For this particular person, look for untapped opportunities. Again, you're selling a lot of products that are probably similar to what other people are selling online. How are you going to set yourself apart? First option, find an underserved niche. So carve out a niche from your wholesaler, meaning pick products that maybe relate to one particular thing or support a particular thing. So alpaca gear, maybe it's something that actually everything is made from alpaca hair on your store. Who knows, could be anything. Next one, be a hacker with the hustle. So for this one, again, you're competing with a lot of other people with similar products. SEO, marketing, content, that's gonna be your bread and butter and where you're gonna focus your energy to set yourself apart. Last one, pick up someone else's product. So maybe there's a brick and mortar store in your community, or perhaps you know somebody who has a vineyard of some kind, maybe it's in your family. Take their business online, use their products, they can dropship for you, and you're making money. So pretty cool, win-win for everybody. Next one, supplemental seller. This is one of my favorites. Upsell by adding inventory. So maybe you have created your own product already, your little niche product. You can support it by adding more inventory that supports your product or helps to upsell. So it's kind of like, do you want fries with that? Increasing your average order size. It's also, those existing catalog items will attract other different kinds of shoppers to your business too. So really cool. Last one, very underutilized, tiptoe tester. Test new products to decrease risk. Great for existing businesses. So for this one, you're gonna save time, money, and inventory space by actually using a drop shipper to test products before actually bringing them into your store. So it's a really great tactic, again, very, very underutilized. So thanks so much. These are 3 ways to drop ship for existing or new businesses. Tune in next week for more tips to sell more.